Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can change the font style in our Samsung phone. So for that, launch your settings app. And in here, you will see something related with font, but if you don't see it here, you can also search for it. Tap on the search bar, type in font, then you will see font size and style under display. Open it. And in here, tap on font size and style again. And likewise, tap on font style. Now, these are the options that you can choose from. In your case, it might be more. So you can either tap on this Gothic Bold or simply Samsung One, which might be default for some users. Likewise, if you would like to add some new fonts like cursive or something, you can tap on Download Fonts and download a specific type of fonts from Galaxy Store. That being said, you can also change the font size. Now, in my case, this is set to medium, but if you would like, you can toggle this to your right side and the font size will be changed. So guys, these are the things that you could try. Thank you for watching.